In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move multiple tasks to a new project in Asana. First, open your browser and head to the Asana login page. If you normally sign in with Google, click Continue with Google and choose the Google account you use for Asana. If your team uses another sign-in method, just follow your usual login flow so you land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, navigate to the project that currently contains the tasks you want to move. You can find it from the sidebar or by using the search bar at the top. Open that project so you can see the full task list or board depending on your view. Now it's time to select multiple tasks. If you want to select a continuous range, click the first task in the list, hold the Shift key, and then click the last task in the range. Everything in between will be selected. If you prefer to cherry-pick tasks that aren't next to each other, you can click to select one, then hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows while clicking additional tasks. You'll see a bulk action toolbar appear once multiple tasks are selected. With your tasks highlighted, look up to the toolbar that appears above the list. From there, open the editing options and choose Add to Projects. This is the control that lets you attach the selected tasks to another project in one move, saving you from repeating the process task by task. A small menu or dialog will pop up. Start typing the name of the new project you've already created, then select it from the list when it appears. This will add all the selected tasks to that destination project at once. Right after you pick the project, you'll also have the option to choose a specific section within that project. Select the section that best fits where these tasks should live, such as backlog, to-do, or a custom section your team uses. Give Asana a second to apply the changes. You can confirm everything worked by opening the new project and checking that your tasks are listed under the section you selected. If you don't see them right away, refresh the page or clear any filters that might be hiding them. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you have permission to edit tasks and projects in your workspace, and use search to quickly find the destination project if your organization has many. That's it. Fast, clean, and consistent.